Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the healthiest ways to enjoy one of our favorite foods, potatoes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Potatoes? Healthy? Listen, don't turn off just yet. These humble spuds often get a bad rap, but they can actually be a part of a healthy diet. You just need to know the right way to cook them. So put on your aprons and let's get cooking. First up, we have fried potatoes. These golden delights are a staple in many diets around the world. From fast food joints to gourmet restaurants, fried potatoes come in many forms. French fries, potato wedges, and even the humble potato chip. Let's be honest, who can resist a crispy golden chip? The crunch, the flavor, the sheer satisfaction of biting into one, it's almost irresistible. They are the perfect side dish, snack, or even a guilty pleasure. But let's not sugarcoat it. Frying potatoes is like dousing them in a deep fryer of doom. The process involves submerging these innocent spuds into boiling oil, transforming them into crispy golden treats. However, this transformation comes at a cost. All that oil? It's a one-way ticket to Calorie City and a heart attack waiting to happen. The high fat content and excessive calories can lead to weight gain, clogged arteries, and other health issues. It's a delicious but dangerous game we play with our health. And don't even get me started on the acrylamide. This chemical forms when starchy foods are cooked at high temperatures, like when frying potatoes. It's not just a minor concern, it's a potential carcinogen. That's a potential carcinogen that forms in starchy foods during high heat cooking. Studies have shown that acrylamide can increase the risk of cancer, making our beloved fries not just a guilty pleasure, but a potential health hazard. We're trying to be healthy, not tempt fate, right? So while fried potatoes might be crispy on the outside, they could be criminal on the inside. It's essential to enjoy them in moderation and be aware of the risks. After all, our health is our most valuable asset. Next, we have baked potatoes. Now we're talking. Baking, that's how you treat a potato with a little respect. You keep that skin on, lock in the nutrients, and you get this fluffy, delicious center. And the best part? No need to drown it in oil like those fried fiends. A little drizzle of olive oil, some seasoning, and you're good to go. It's simple, it's healthy, it's bloody delicious. Finally, we have boiled potatoes. They might not look like much at first glance, but there's more to them than meets the eye. Now, I know what you're thinking. Boiled? Sounds a bit boring, doesn't it? But let's take a closer look. But hold on, don't underestimate the humble boiled potato. It's a versatile ingredient that can be transformed in so many ways. It's like the dark horse of the potato world, often overlooked but always ready to surprise you. Boiling helps retain all those good nutrients, keeps the calories in check, and provides a blank canvas for flavor. You can add herbs, spices, or even a drizzle of olive oil to elevate its taste. Think about it. Potato salad, creamy mashed potatoes, or even a simple side dish. The boiled potato is the foundation for so many delicious recipes. A vibrant potato and chorizo stew. The possibilities are endless. From comforting soups to gourmet dishes, the boiled potato can do it all. So next time, give it the credit it deserves. So there you have it. We've explored the wonderful world of potatoes, a versatile and beloved staple in many cuisines around the globe. Whether you prefer them fried, with that irresistible crispy texture and golden brown color, baked to perfection with a fluffy interior, or boiled, which brings out their natural earthy flavor, each method has its own pros and cons. Fried potatoes are delicious, but can be high in calories and fats. Baked potatoes are a healthier option, retaining more nutrients, while boiled potatoes are simple and quick to prepare. But remember, the key to a healthy diet is balance and moderation. Incorporating a variety of cooking methods can help you enjoy potatoes without overindulging. Enjoy your fried indulgences occasionally, savoring each bite as a special treat. But make baked and boiled potatoes your go-to for a nutritious and delicious meal. Pair them with fresh herbs, vegetables, and lean proteins to create a balanced plate. Let us know in the comments how you like your potatoes. Do you have a favorite recipe or a unique way of preparing them? We'd love to hear your tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips. Stay tuned for more delicious and nutritious recipes that will make your meals exciting and wholesome.